Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Here is another DIY video on my 2024 Z900, and in this video we are going to install this. This is a replica of PUIG, whatever they call it, the touring windscreen. I got it from AliExpress. Don't ask me how did I get it, because AliExpress shipping to India is banned. I have some sources using which I get it. The way we are going to mount is that let me show you the stock windscreen which the bike came with. So this is the stock windscreen. So I have to fix it on my motorcycle. Right now the one which is there, I have to take it out. And this new windscreen will be coming or fixing on top of this. So if I talk about the difference in the sizes, the new one, it's more than double the size. You can see it here. See how small the stock one is and how big this one is. And hopefully at my height of 5 feet 8 or something, this would help me save myself from the wind buffeting post like 125-130 kilometers per hour. That's when we face a lot of wind buffeting, even with the extended visor on this motorcycle. So let's get to it. Let's fix this. Let's fix the stock visor. Before that, let's remove the custom visor which I had, and then we'll fix it and let's get going. So this is the current windscreen that I have on my bike, and this is exactly same as the one that Kawasaki sells, as they call it as the Vita cover, large Vita cover. So one bolt goes here, another one goes here. Sorry for the focusing. Yeah, one goes there, and two bolts here, right? So these two have to be removed. I have removed this one already. This is where the license plate is mounted. Let's take this out and then we'll fix the stock one. All right, this is the stock visor. We are going to place it here, just this way, and then the new visor that we got from AliExpress, right? I would really want to thank the seller, because he has given every single nut and bolt, all the hardware, every single thing was there. You don't need anything else for instructions. Yeah, it's not there. You can probably download it from PUIG or PUIG website. I will leave a link and you can see it right now in this image. The instructions is there. And now it's just a process of fixing this. Let me show you what exactly we need to fix. So there are these M8 type hex spacer bolts, right? These ones will go on top of the stock visor. So what we're going to do is, let's keep the stock visor aligned, and one will go here. We have to fix a washer in between. I'm not doing it right now because I just want to demonstrate it. Here it comes with these kind of rubber washers. Right, so insert the washer. The reason is that we do not want this to scratch the stock windscreen, and then mount it on the stock mounting points. This is it. For now, I'm not tightening it completely. This is just finger tightened. That's all, nothing more than that. We don't need to apply a lot of pressure, otherwise you can actually break the construction behind this. Next is these brackets. It clearly says L for left, R for right. So this is my left. I'll keep this here, this way, and the right one will come over here. They come with this kind of rubber spacers which has a thread inside. What you have to do is you have to put one of these spacers on this, and then we'll mount it here, and over these two spaces, the bolts, right, what we have, we are going to fix the stock screws, whichever came with this, so that this stays in place, and then the visor screws will go on top of this. So let's fix the stock screws first. There is one important thing that you have to notice, is that these top screws, right, they will tighten to a certain extent. Then if you see the one which is below this, that starts rotating free, what you have to do is you can get a 11 spanner, hold it, and then you tighten up the top one. So this way it can be tightened properly. Same goes with the top one as well, and apparently the same logic for all the four. Hold the bottom one, and then you try to tighten up the one which is at the top. Now the windscreen will come on top of this. Just align the holes and then put the screws. We are done. Alright guys, so yeah, this is it. This is the huge duplicate one from AliExpress. It does look quite good. I mean, yeah, the original one, I do not know about the black color, but the smoke one, you'll have a matte finish alongside this bottom part. This whole thing will have a matte finish. This does not have it. The entire thing is gloss, but this is just a cosmetic thing. I saved like what, more than the original one is about $140 to $160 plus your import duty, whatever. So here in India it costs roughly 17,000 rupees. and I got this one including shipping. Again, I will not tell how they get it, but the entire thing costed me less than $20. So it's like I saved the cost of what, 7 such windscreens. If I break it or this one gets scratches, I can replace it 7 times for the cost of the original one. So, but anyways, yeah, this original has different quality or whatever it is. As long as it works, I'm okay with it. So yeah, thanks a lot for tuning in. I hope this video comes out of some help, and I'll see you guys again in some another DIY. Until then, bye bye.